I'm going to show you how to make your very own custom reducing washers for your electrical project. You will need a drill, a metal saw, a hole saw for the size conduit you wish to run, a pair of channel locks, a hammer, a file, and a box cover. First, you measure inside of the box to make sure your custom washers will be large enough to hold your conduit, but small enough to allow access to the other box holes. This includes making sure there is room to put a cover on the box when you are finished crafting your reducers. Second, you will need to draw out 2 squares on a blank box cover using the measurements you took inside the electric box. Mark the centers for each square by drawing an X. Third, you will be drilling the holes for the conduit you will be running with your hole saw. I like to drill out the pilot hole first so I do not damage my hole saw. You can use your channel locks to help hold the plate in place while drilling, or you can use a wood board to screw the plate down firmly. Be creative, but always remember safety first. Fourth, you will be cutting out the individual reducing squares. Use your channel locks to help guide the cuts. If your squares are bent and warped after cutting, then just lay them on a solid surface and beat them out flat with your hammer. Clean off any sharp boogers and debris with your file. Congratulations! You now know how to make your very own custom reducing washers. This technique comes in handy when you are in an emergency and you need to get your circuit run as soon as possible. Always work safe, my brothers and sisters.